the left.
Uh-huh.
When you're paddling on the left side,
Ah.
go to the right.
Uh-huh. Wow.
Yeah, you need to take it careful
Uh-huh.
when you're out paddling because there's a lot of boats as well.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, you need to move for the boats. It's biggest first and we're the smallest.
Ah. How long it will take one day?
So it depends where you want to go.
Uh-huh.
Most people they take one lap around Långholmen,
Uh-huh.
this island which shown right.
Yeah.
And one
Thank you. Oh, why? They- nice, thank you. It's good mood.
I can show you.
Yeah.
I'll show you. Come here.
Okay, thank you.
You can go down here.
Ah.
Because the kayaks have put
So do you
paddles.
think this is my bag? It's
Yeah,
okay?
it's safe. It's
Okay.
safe. Nobody
Okay.
will take it.
Uh-huh.
So we have some different kayaks.
Uh-huh.
For example, this is a sea kayak right here.
Uh-huh.
It's a bit longer,
Uh-huh.
and this is not a sea kayak because it's not as long.
Uh-huh.
And all our kayaks have this rudder as well.
Uh-huh.
So not all kayaks have the rudder, but
Uh-huh.
a lot of people do.
Uh-huh.
But a lot of kayaks do.
Uh-huh.
You can use the rudder with these foot pedals. So if you look at the rudder,
Uh-huh.
you see it turns.
Oh.
Push the foot pedals. So if you
Amazing.
push the right one, you go right.
Uh-huh.
Left one, you go left.
Oh. Wow. I thought just using hand with the
Yeah.
pedal just.
Yeah, you can do that,
Yeah.
but sometimes when there's a lot of wind,
Uh-huh.
you tend to drift to
Uh-huh.
one side,
Uh-huh.
and then it might be helpful with the rudder to go to the other side.
Oh, nice, amazing. Then from here, how many kilometers usually they go?
So a lot of people go around this island
Uh-huh.
and that island.
Oh,
And that's about 7 kilometers.
7 kilometers.
Yeah,
How long it will take?
about 1 hour and 20 minutes.
1 hour and 20 minutes.
And that's if you go quite slow. So you can
Uh-huh.
probably I could paddle around both these islands in 50 minutes or something like that.
Oh.
So yeah, it doesn't take very long.
Okay, then
Do you have any questions or anything?
how much is it?
So it's 250 Swedish kroner for the 2 hours.
For 2 hours.
If you want to go 4 hours, it's 350.
Oh, 3 hours maybe it is different course.
We have 2 hours and 4 hours,
Oh, 4
and we
hours.
have full day as well. Some people like to go on
4 days? You mean?
yeah, full day. So
Full
you go
day.
for entire day.
Entire.
A lot of people like to go on expeditions.
Uh-huh.
For example, in that direction,
Uh-huh.
there's a lot of islands and those kind of things. So
Uh-huh.
yeah, a lot of people do that.
How many kilometers it will go?
It depends. Some people go, I don't know, 20 kilometers or really long.
Yeah.
You can also take the kayak and spend the night somewhere. So if you
Yeah.
have a tent,
Yeah, I heard about that.
You want to go camping or something like that.
Yeah.
So the kayaks have these.
Uh-huh.
So if you have something with you, you can put it in here
Uh-huh.
and take it with you.
Oh.
If you have food,
Uh-huh.
tent or anything,
Yeah.
drinks.
My roommate just said about it. Actually, he talked about the full day and about one more day, 1 or 2 day, 2 days kind of travel with the car.
Yeah,
kayak.
you can do that.
Yes, then he also brought some tent
Yeah.
and food. Yeah, I heard
Yeah.
about it. So you have that kind of course?
We have shorter tours
Uh-huh.
if you want to go with a group and a guide.
Uh-huh.
But you can, if you're alone with a friend or somebody else, you can take the kayak and go by yourself. You're allowed to do that.
Ah.
And then you have to pay a bit extra if you take the kayak over the night. But yeah, if you have a route and you have some place to go, yeah, that works.
Whoa. Whoa. Can you show me the map on that kind of thing?
So
Yeah.
we are here right now.
Uh-huh.
This is the central parts of Stockholm.
Uh-huh.
And most people, when they take the kayak overnight,
Uh-huh.
they go in this direction because you can't get through here.
Ah.
And these islands, you can hike or camp on them.
Oh. Do you think how long it'll take to go there?
It entirely depends on the speed, but perhaps 2 hours to get over here.
Oh, 2
Something
hours.
like that, maybe
Uh-huh.
3 hours to come over here.
Is there a sign of camping site?
I don't know exactly if there are any camping sites, but I don't think most people use them. I think most people, they just take the tent with them and go on the island and set up their tent. They have some food with them and do that there. So they don't need in camping sites. They just do it in the nature.
Oh yeah. How much is it with the entire 2 days?
So 650 for an entire day, and then 300 over the night.
Okay.
And then you might need to pay a bit extra for the other day, depending on what time you get back.
So just
Yeah.
48 hours.
Yeah.
How much it will be?
I don't know exactly, but maybe 1,500, something like that.
And a half. Okay,
I'm not entirely sure, but something like that.
Something like that. Oh,
Okay.
thank you.
No problems.
Nice explanation. Thank you very
No
much.
problems.
Yes.